made a mess in here. It broke the grapes, but nice and cold. Heidi ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the Den of Tools, talking about one of every bear's favorite subjects, and that, of course, is picnic baskets. I kid. Well, it's kind of a high-tech, gadgety kind of picnic basket, isn't it? It's a 12-volt automotive, cooler, but it's more than that. It's actually technically a refrigerator. It's got the whole compressor kind of thing, stuff like that, and it actually does a fantastic job. It does the job, okay? It didn't, blow my fur back or anything, but considering that we were doing it out in the desert and stuff, you'll see, we're going to show you pics. We took it down to the cove where the kids go cliff jumping. We took it, I had it out in the desert here next to Lake Mead, and on a summer day, we did an 8-hour test, and you're going to see all along the way how much power it drew. We had it hooked up to a 1,000 volt battery power station. You're going to see how much power it's drawing. You're going to see how cold it gets. We're going to show you everything, nothing hidden there. You're going to see exactly what it is, and then we'll come back here and I'll tell you about where you can buy it and stuff like that. So let's jump into it. All right, we're going to do some temperature testing. We've got the FKM infrared thermoprobe. Kind of hard to see here in the bright daylight. There is a laser on this. Anyway, we're going to test the water here. The water is currently sitting right at 72 degrees. The temperature in the shade, I think, is about the same, 70 degrees. The temperature in the cooler, currently reading 72. We just turned it on. Got it powered by the Generac here, running off of full power, 12 volt over here. Into this, we got set up the ambient temperature on the ground here is 112. The temperature on top of the cooler is 111. All right, Griff, go ahead and close it up. All right, so 93%. I'm saying 15. I'll go quite that far. I'm saying it's 17. Water's reading 34. A little overcast right now, though. We're at 109.
How you doing, neighbor?
All right. The Generac is at 87, so we're losing about 10% per hour. This is second hour here. You see that? It is still overcast, so a little cooler. 99 degrees out. That says 14. Go ahead and open the lid. And that says 7. 12 over there. What's the water say? Water says it's at 14. Go ahead and stick your finger in the water there.
That's cold.
Is that cold?
That
It's
feels...
not frozen.
No?
It's saying 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, we know what reflective surfaces and all that are good for. But anyway, let's close it back up. Well, here we are, hour number 3 check-in. We're down to, looks like 81% on the Generac. Still says 15 on that cooler. What's our outside temp? That says 119. That sun has come out. It's been warming things up again. That says 3. So, yeah. I think we got ice there. There we go. I could break through the top of it. So it's not solid, but that's definitely ice. Here we are, hour 4. We're at 74% on this thing, but the sun is really beating down. It's up to 19 on this. We're getting a reading of 125. The ground is showing 108. Open her up. Let's see if we still got ice in there. Pull it out.
Oh yeah, that's frozen.
Yep.
Just
It's
a little
still,
bit though.
It's still top refroze again. We got a temperature down there. Hold on. That is showing
It's like a
15 degrees. We do the outside of this. 33 degrees on that. Inside's reading 24. Go ahead and throw it back in there.
That's a little slushy inside.
Yep. Alright, here we are. Our supply's got 67%. Was this 5th or 6th hour? I forget at this point. We're looking at 116 on there. Ground temp is 105. Go ahead and open her up there. 12, 11, 17. Let's hand me the cup there. Let's see. Okay. Some air bubble in there. Yep, we're still. Let me get it down here. It's thicker. I can get it out. Hold the cup.
Oh, that's frozen.
Some ice. Alright, we're gonna put it back in there. See how it goes. Close it up. Alright, it's 8 hours later. And we are at 51%. 8 hours. It's definitely cooled down. The sun is below the horizon. We're at 85 there. Top of this is at 80. Go ahead and open it up. It says 12 down there on it.
Can I grab this?
Yep, bring it here.
Yeah, that's
Take this.
frozen solid.
Take this. There we go. Let me see that. Go. That is a solid. There's a couple bubbles in there. Yeah, and I can't even punch through the ice. That's a solid cup of water. Well, 8 hours to freeze. I don't know what an actual fridge would do, but considering it was sitting out in the Las Vegas sun all day, not too bad. So this is the SetPower 12-volt refrigerator for car. I think you can use it for vans also. I did use it in a truck. I know it's not rated for a truck, but I did. Oh no, it comes down here. It says truck, van, RV, and Jeep. That's awesome. Campers as well. The bear kids, it's bear humor. Don't judge the bear. Anyway, fact is, I've tested these before. We did a video on it a couple years ago, on not on this unit, but on a similar unit. I really enjoy these things. You know, yeah, you can go pick up a nice little cooler, throw some ice in it and stuff, but then, you know, if you're out there the entire day, the ice melts or the ice is sloshing around, it just creates a huge mess. These are nice, they're neat, they're always cold when you need them. I love just leaving one in the truck, just, you know, using it for all sorts of stuff. When I do my trips from Montana down to Vegas, you know, that's a 14-hour drive. I throw one of these in the passenger seat, load it up with drinks. It is so convenient, so nice, and it just always works. And being able to take it, you know, add in that power station portability or plug it into the RV, stuff like that. We use it in the RV for additional cooling and stuff like that. It will freeze, so we've been able to use it as an additional freezer to store meat when, like, you know, there was a sale on chicken breasts and stuff like that. In fact, the other one that I had, now they did not send the 110 adapter with the one I have, so I only had the car adapter. But the old one that I have, I've got a 110 adapter with, and I use it in my shop as a refrigerator for the shop. You have to be careful though if you're doing that. Don't set the temp too cold because these will bust open cans if you put them in there. So just be aware. Anyway, price on this, $249 for I think it's a 21 quart. Yeah, 21 quart there. And this does come with the AC adapter and the, so it just plugs right in there. Now, there's also a 5% extra when you apply the coupon, the little clicky coupon kind of thing down here. Now, that said, this is SetPower. SetPower's having, this is their big Amazon store-wide sale this weekend. And they have all sorts of stuff. Man, look at that. That's a pretty one right there. 12-volt, all-metal kind of, you know, that looks like something for what do you call it, an overlanding build. They even do sell the tray that you can put in your vehicle so it slides in and out on the tray. That's pretty nice. We got some more of the more ruggedized plastic kind of style. That's similar to the other style that I tested before. I like this one here. Nice, the side handles, the traditional flip up. I'm not a big fan of the side flip on these things. I find it hard to get into, and I think everyone in my family agrees with me on that one. That was a nice thing about this. This is the standard kind of cooler style front flip, even though it has the display on top. There was another one down here. It's pretty pricey. Oh, this one with the wheels and everything for $600. That's a bit much, but that's a nice big cooler kind of thing. There you can see they got the tray as well. Anyway, anything with the green little label there that has the coupon on it, you can clip. This is all I said, part of their sale. They even sell the little wraps that go on. If you're going to be camping outdoors in a hot area, I highly recommend getting one of these insulated bags because it really helps maintain the temps. But as you saw, we had no problem on a 100-degree plus day. It was nice and toasty warm out there for most of the day. Got a little overcast for a little bit, cooled off a little. Cooler, not that cold, right? Anyway, they did. So anyway, these are nice. I want to thank SetPower for sending this to me, but they also sent me something extra. It was kind of weird. I wasn't expecting it. They sent me this 16-inch cordless fan. It's a floor fan. It kind of looks like a shop fan, and I gotta tell you, I was not expecting much from this thing. And if you've got one of these or something like this, I want to hear what you think down below, because my whole family is now fighting over this thing. This is fantastic. It's not perfect. It's not perfect in any way, shape, or form, but it holds a decent charge. You can even charge your cell phone off of it. I don't know if I need to do that. You get an extra 8% when you click the coupon, but I'm going to do a separate video just on that because we've been using this for all sorts of things. Anyway, I know you'd be surprised the what you can find to use a cordless fan for. It's ridiculous. Anyway, that's all the bear has for you. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.